Hi everyone, today we are going to Sam's Club to get us some feeder boxes. And there's a tree here. Let's say, oh, there it is. There's, I don't know if you can see him. There's a right there. Anyway. A lot of wind today. This is the Plano, Texas Sam's Club. It's a wholesale club. A lot of goodies. There's a sign going in here. Wow, long lines today. So we're only here for the boxes. So they have these, there's a wholesale club. So you see a bunch of items here. You have to be a member to purchase. We're only here for the box. And the box are free to take. And the stash is right here. Here it is. Let's see what we can get today. I think Alfredo sauce would be good. I usually don't get the vegetable ones because they might have some bugs on there. At least what I think. This one, I think the color would be good, especially for the Blue Jays. I see a mixed nuts down here. We got 3. It's always fun to come here because you never know what you'll find. What kind of boxes you'll find here. Looks like there's a lot of fruit type boxes today. Well, I think that there's a Virginia peanut down here, but it's kind of hard to get. So I think I'll just let me try it. Move that over, move this over. See if we can get to this on the bottom. Oops. All the boxes are falling down. Move this guy over here. This one up there. And I think we're there. Hey, there's what's this? Creamy peanut butter. We'll take that one. And I like this green one. Mixed nuts. And then also one down here. Virginia peanuts. So that should be it for today. Let's get back in line and go home and feed the birds. Take care, everyone. Take care. Bye.